Many users encounter frustration when trying to enable Remote Desktop on Windows 11 Home Single Language, only to find it doesn't work out of the box. Unlike the Pro Edition, the Home version lacks built-in support for this feature, making remote access seem impossible. However, there is a permanent solution that allows you to unlock Remote Desktop functionality on your system, letting you connect to your PC from anywhere and boost your productivity without costly upgrades.
Let's run the Windows Troubleshooter together. First, right-click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Now click on Settings from the menu. In the window that opens, click on System from the left sidebar. Scroll down and click Troubleshoot, then click Other Troubleshooters. Choose the one that fits your issue and click Run. I will choose Audio and Get Help pages opened. Follow the instructions to resolve the issue. To restart your computer, click the Start button at the bottom left corner. Then, click the power icon. Now, select Restart. Your PC will shut down and power back up automatically. Let's reset your network settings to fix any connection issues. Right-click on the Start button and click Settings. In the left panel, choose Network and Internet. Now scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Under More Settings, click Network Reset. Now click Reset Now and confirm when prompted. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters. Your PC will restart automatically. Reconnect to your Wi-Fi once it's back on. Let's run the DISM tool to fix your Windows image. Click the Start button, type CMD, then right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Now type this command, DISM space / online space / cleanup - image space / restore health. Then press Enter. This tool checks for problems in the Windows image and tries to repair it. The scan may take a while. Let it finish fully. Once done, restart your computer. Let's run the System File Checker. Click the Start button and type CMD in the search box. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. If you see a prompt, click Yes. Now type this command, SFC space / scan now. Then hit Enter. Windows will start scanning for missing or damaged system files. Just wait until it reaches 100%. If it finds issues, it'll try to fix them automatically. Once it's done, restart your PC.